Hello, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things and I also like to vlog vacations and food all around the world. Today I have for you Lootcrate. So, let's talk about Lootcrate. They need to get their shit together. This is April's box. It is June. And we got this while we were gone on vacation, which means that we got April's box the last week of May, and we haven't gotten May's box yet. Not only that, but they have raised their subscription to, they raised it $5 a month. So they raised it to $29.99. And that's a little disappointing, I feel, because why would they raise their prices when they can't even get the box to their subscribers out on time? That just makes zero sense to me. So I don't know. My husband says if they don't get their shit together, we're not keeping them. So with that being said, let's get into April's box because probably nobody has unboxed this yet. It's a little crazy. So you open it up and this is what it looks like on the inside. Fishman. It says Cavalcade of Cursed Creatures. Lootcrate presents a cavalcade of cursed creatures. The blood-curdling beast beyond, or beast from beneath the waves. Okay. So I'm not entirely sure. Like I said, this is my husband's and my son's box, so they would know what this stuff is a lot better. But I do know that they typically come with a card to kind of tell you what everything is. So let me dig that out. So this is April 2019 Showdown. And the first thing I am pulling out here is a 3D, the Avengers 3D comic standee. Man, I'll tell you, since we've been back from Vegas, this weather has been nasty. I don't know. I want to go back to Vegas. Okay, so this is Captain America. And it looks like this. So that's cool. The next thing I am pulling out here is a Red Bull energy drink, and it has Tyler Ninja Blevins, and it's signed by him. I don't know who that dude is, but I mean, it's a real drink. It's a real Red Bull. So let's see. What does this say? This is not even on here. So I don't know. Maybe it's an extra. The can is a little crushed on the bottom. Yeah, no, it's not on here, so maybe it's an extra. All right. The next thing I am pulling out is a t-shirt. And this is a Mongoose t-shirt. And I believe that it's in my son's size. So there is that. And let's see, it says it's a mystery showdown tea. This month we're celebrating pop culture's heavy hitters with an awesome mystery tea. Each crate features a looter favorite tea from epic battle-loving franchises like Jurassic Park, Marvel, and much, much more. Okay, so there is that. The next thing I am pulling out is a Loot Crate from Loot Pins. And that is an exclusive Showdown pen. This pen depicts the universal fight between good and evil. A badge or pin of honor to wear proudly. Made by Lootcrate. So there is that. And then the next thing I am pulling out is this thing. This isn't on here either, I don't think. Let's open it up and see what's on the inside, but this is weird. Oh, that's kind of cool. So they are metal straws. That is kind of neat. And it just says Loot Crate on them. But that is definitely not on this card any. Oh, yeah, it is. Sorry, it's on the back side. That's interesting. It's a bonus item. Metal straws. Reducing plastic waste in the environment is totally metal. These reusable Loot Crate metal straws will add some style to any beverage without harming the earth. So that's cool. And then the next thing I am pulling out is... Okay, so hey looters, submission process. Head to redpool.com/ninja for a full activation details. So I'm assuming it's some sort of a contest that goes with the Red Bull. So, I don't know. And it doesn't matter because the contest ended on June 1st. So, that kind of sucks. I mean, I suppose it still would have been relevant if we would have been home when we got the box. I'm not exactly sure what day this box came, but we didn't get home until June 1st, which was Saturday, right? Yeah. So even if it would have come on Saturday, this would have been irrelevant. So there's that. The next thing is a Battlestar Galactica range sheet. And this is, so maybe, oh, okay. So it's for target practice. And there are 2 of them. So there's that one. And then here is another one. And my son has a bow, so he would probably like that. But, so yeah, that's on here too. It's a target practice sheet. And then the next thing I am pulling out here is an Aquaman. It says snap to unlock the power of Atlantis. It says dive into more than 60 minutes of behind the scenes action. So I guess this is something you can do online. Was it supposed to come with a pin? It says exclusive Aquaman challenge coin. There's no coin. Wow, interesting box. Says this exclusive Aquaman challenge coin features our hero, the protector of the deep, on one side, and his arch super rival supervillain, Black Manta, on the other side. Okay, maybe that is this? No, there's nothing on the other side. So I'm really super confused at this point. I don't know what's going on. There was no coin. It's not double-sided. The coin maybe was supposed to be double-sided, but there's no coin. So, I don't know, man. I have no idea what's going on. Okay, so then the last thing we have, exclusive Godzilla art print set. I'm not going to open this because my husband might want to keep it in the packaging. But it looks like it's a set. And it looks like it might be a set of 3. And it says, in Godzilla, King of the Monsters, the Alpha Predator faces off against mega monsters like Rodan, Mothra, and its arch enemy and destroyer of worlds, King Ghidorah? I have no idea. These epic art prints feature Godzilla mid-battle with its 3-headed rival, along with mythic looks at the new film's heaviest hitters. Alright, so I am going to leave that closed. I'm just not really sure what's going on with the rest of this box. But that is Loot Crate for the month of April. I hope you enjoyed this box. Have a great day. Bye.